sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Brian E. C. Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, November 16, 2024. Ngayong araw po ay ating itutuloy ang ating series about po sa the power of vision. Specifically, ang magiging topic po natin for today is about vision ignites undying hope. Now, ang ating talata po para sa araw na ito ay nagagaling sa Genesis chapter 41 verse 14. Sabi po dito, basahin ko po. So Pharaoh sent for Joseph, and he was quickly brought from the dungeon. When he had shaved and changed his clothes, he came before Pharaoh. Ngayon po, ito po ay ating mas bibigyan ng kahulugan sa pamamagitan ng ating mga katuruan sa araw na ito. Meron po tayo tatlong katuruan. Una po, vision ignites undying hope. So, kapag meron po tayo linaw na vision, binibigyan po nito tayo ng dahilan para tumingin sa future, tumingin sa susunod na araw, magkaroon ng pag-asa. So, gaano man kahirap ng buhay, it's like a spark that keeps you motivated and hopeful even in sa mga sitwasyon na napakahirap. Ikalawa, vision requires excellence. So, to turn your vision into reality, you can't cut corners. So, excellence means binibigay mo yung best na effort mo. Tapos, stay disciplined and dapat consistent. So, it's about showing up and doing the work at a high standard. Without low vision becomes reality in due time. So, alam mo naman po yung mga malalaking bagay, it takes time talaga. So, just because your vision hasn't happened yet, hindi po ibig sabihin nito na hindi na ito mangyayari. You just have to trust that the process will unfold when the time is right and keep working toward it with patience. So, paano po natin ma-apply ang mga katuruan na ito? Yan po tayo pwede ako sa ating application. Ano po? Develop resilience and staying power. Minsan, matitest ka talaga ng buhay mo, may mga pagsubok na darating, setbacks will come, but resilience is about staying strong, keeping your eyes on the vision, and not giving up no matter what happens. Dalawa, remain excellent and faithful. So stay committed to doing your best even when the times that walang nanonood sa'yo or when progress feels slow. So faithfulness is about being consistent and dependable in your actions. At huli po, trust the grace and sovereignty of God. You're not in control of everything. Tandaan niyo po yan. And okay lang po yun. Trust that God has a plan and lean on His grace to guide you. Gawin mo yung part mo, but let Him handle the rest. Kasi, again, hindi mo naman po control ng lahat. Magtiwala